Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ben Plays here with another amazing video, and today we are back on the Elite SMP server and we are gonna fish. So I fished and I got like one raw cod. So yeah, we're gonna have to fish more in today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe. You guys already know the deal. Here's Blaze, he's AFKing right now. So yeah, let's do this. I think last episode I had dogs, but they're not here because I killed them. Uh um don't ask why. But yeah, this is where we're gonna fish for now. Because I don't wanna keep on jumping and fishing, because if we do this, it just ends up over here because of the fence. So I'm gonna have to jump and fish for now. Maybe we can get some books or something, because I have to enchant. Let's see what's this. Okay, salmon. Okay, I don't have a good fishing rod. What are you doing? Okay, Blaze is back. I killed him. Now you're my dog. Stay in there. Actually, I'm gonna kill it like I killed my dogs. Stay there, bad boy. Hey, stop. No, I'm not gonna give you food. I gave you food. Okay, now we go fish. Okay, I might be quiet for the whole video. It's just gonna be relaxing and fish. Okay, let's do this. Stop singing. How are you dying? What are you doing? Why are you down there? Why are you in a cave? Why did you dig down here? I'm coming! Why did you go there? Okay. Thank you for complimenting my breed. I was fishing. Now what are you doing? That's in my dog's kennel. Your house is over there. You know where your house is. Stop playing dumb. Uh, I didn't mean to. I didn't know you were that low. I didn't mean to. Okay, let's just keep on fishing. About to get what? What? Why did you teleport me up? Make yourself fly. Oh. No! Uh, no, it's fine. Is this dog still chasing me? Okay, they're not. Are they? Oh, what tree? The plan of today's video was to fish, not to be teleported and walk all the way home. But anyway, guys, change of plans. Actually, not change of plans, but I found. I don't think this is a secret base. It's like a basement, but it's Blaze's basement. So we're gonna check it out. How did he get all his books? Bookshelf. Enchanting table. What levels? Okay. Okay, let's see what's down here. Hold up. Looks like it's under construction. Hmm. Okay, since he left, let me go to sleep in his base real quick. He left the game right now. As you can see, he's not on. I'm the only one on the server right now. Oh, not dark anymore. Okay, now see you guys by my house again. Okay, we are finally back. My house is not actually that far from Blaze's house. There's a dog kennel. Look, my dog kennel almost looks exactly like my house. Hmm. Weird, but let's just keep on fishing. Oh, join. Wait, hold up. Anyway, uh, can I just put like music in the background? Like, if I'm not like even editing, I'll put music in the background so you guys can like at least hear something. So yeah, cue music. I hope music's playing right now. the dog? Stay right here. I have to break into my house. My own house. I need the bones. Yeah, puppy. My guy, you good? Are you kidding me? I broke into my house for no reason. Wow. I hope the music is off now though, but yeah. Cue music again.
this fishing rod on the wall. I can barely see anything in the water because of this rain. Oh my gosh, I hope the music stopped though. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here. I know it wasn't much effort, but yeah.
See you guys later.